Hello everyone! It's the virtual INSET 3.0 na. Nag-enroll ka na ba? So this is the first ever televised virtual in-service training or the VINSET 3.0 for public and private school teachers. It will be on August 8 to 11, 2022, 8:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. on morning session and 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. on afternoon session. So what are the topics of this VINSET 3.0? First, we have the DepEd Learning Management System. Second, the H5P technologies. Third, we'll talk about the Alcatel 3.0 book of the future. Fourth, the advanced Google tools. Fifth, about Minecraft for Education Edition. Sixth, AR and VR technologies. And last but not the least, are all about Android application development. The Information and Communications Technology Service through the Educational Technology Unit or the EdTech is conducting this televised virtual in-service training program for teachers or the VINSET 3.0 with the theme Uniting Teachers Towards Digital Transformation and Excellence. The virtual activity will be streamed also through the online platforms of DepEd, and the recorded session will be aired on a later schedule via DepEd TV's local cable partners. The activities are programmed to impart the latest technological innovation in instruction to prepare teachers, both public and private, for in-person classes using different ICT and digital learning applications. In addition, the topics are carefully identified to ensure the upskilling of teachers that will necessitate effective utilization in their respective classes in whatever learning environment. The televised VINSET 3.0 was granted by the CPD Council for Professional Teachers with an accreditation number PDR-2022-366-1899 with 15 CPD units. And here are the steps on how to join. To all the public and private school teachers, as well as EdTech enthusiasts, you are all welcome to join VINSET 3.0. The EdTech Unit's Facebook page is where you may watch the streaming. Please log in your respective regional DLMS using your DepEd email accounts, Google, or Microsoft accounts. For DepEd teachers and employees, enroll in the virtual INSET 3.0 course in your regional DLMS by doing or following these steps. First, go to LMS portal, lms.deped.gov.ph, and search for your region at the top of the website. Choose your school's division office to proceed with your regional DLMS. Then click DepEd Commons Teachers. Wait for the DepEd Commons website to load. Choose to sign in either with your Google account or with your Microsoft account. Type in your credentials and authorize DepEd Commons to use your account. Next, click Site Homes and search for the Professional Development category. Click Virtual and Service Training 3.0 course. Type in your enrollment key and click Proceed. That's it. You can also start searching through commons.deped.gov.ph and click DepEd LMS portal. Then click Login as teaching or non-teaching personnel. Click Sign In either with your Google account or with your Microsoft account. Type in your login credentials. Select your regional DLMS cluster in the drop-down options, then click Go to LMS. Now click DepEd Commons Teacher in your regional DLMS. Click Site Home and search for the Professional Development category. Click Virtual In-Service Training 3.0 course and of course, type in your enrollment key and click Proceed. What about for those DepEd personnel without DepEd email or private school teachers? EdTech enthusiasts, parents, and students. You can also enroll in this virtual in-service training 3.0 course in professional development LMS by doing the following steps. Go to training.deped.gov.ph and type in your login credentials. Click Site Home and search for the Professional Development category. Select Webinar Series 2022 in the subcategories and click Virtual In-Service Training 3.0 course. Type in your enrollment key and click Proceed.